Okay, for architectural model making, the basic practice model, essentially you want to start by cutting out the plan, and you want to make sure that it's less the thickness of the material you're going to be using, so about 1 millimetre in, because the card is 1 millimetre thick. Next, what you want to do is cut a long strip of material which is going to be the maximum height of the building. Okay. You can use the floor plan now to measure out how wide the walls are going to be, marking points, and then making sure you're on the correct side, creating a score line. And a score line is not cutting through the card, it's just a light cut that will allow you to then bend the card. Okay. Once you've created all the necessary score lines, you can plot out the heights according to the drawing, and then end up with an overall elevation that you can then wrap around the floor plan. Okay. So it's one continuous wall. If you make it cut too deep and it separates, you can just add another wall. Okay. The trick really is with this internal corner that the splice is on the inside, and that it is 1 millimetre shorter to accommodate this wall that will fold back in. Okay. And eventually, once you stick it all together, using preferably an adhesive that isn't too watery, it'll dry a lot quicker. I'll show us separately how to use glue in a moment. You can then cut out the roof. Don't use the roof plan measurement here. Don't use the roof plan measurement here. The roof plan measurement is that length. Okay. And again, you really just need to cut a score line in the middle of that roof. It's just one flat piece of card, and then you can stick it on top of each roof. Okay. So it's a little task to develop skills with model making, and I'll do the gluing separately.